Happy Easter, everyone. So I have the perfect spring garden basket that you can give for this Easter or for garden lovers in general. Hi, everyone. If you're new to my channel, this is Altavis from Emergegarden Estate. And in today's episode, I'll be showing you how I quickly arranged an Easter basket filled with a few must-have garden items for those who love to garden and beginner gardeners as well. Let's get into the video. So I quickly assembled a few of these items that I purchased at my local Target, also known as Target, and Home Depot store. I put together a Hello Spring mini home decor tabletop sign, grass grow kit for some of our cat furry friends, a little mini hand sanitizer when you need to quickly clean up while you're in your garden area. And I also purchased this mini hypoestis plant that I purchased at my local Home Depot store. In addition, in my second Easter and spring basket, I have this green edible cat grass treat that I also included with some garden gloves, some garden supplies, a little bit of chocolate. In addition, I purchased some clear plant saucer trays, some decorative spoons that I found around my workstation that you can use to plant your mini plants in your garden, plus this multi-purpose white caddy tray. I hope this video inspires and helps you during the Easter celebration weekend and just for spring gardening in general. Please let me know your thoughts and comments in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, enjoy your week.